There's no doubt a lot is changing in the interventional field. Pressure is increasing. More is asked of the team. We are treating more patients and more difficult cases with many different devices and applications that make it challenging to perform at a consistent level. So everything we do is organized to give us greater simplicity and control. We expect the same from our technology too.
Azurion was built to bring greater simplicity and also control to the interventional lab. It's not all about adding more functionality, it's adding functionality that matters in the most easy way.
During a coronary case, a lot of different systems are used, so normally you would continuously switch between systems and gathering all the information through those systems. And with Azurion, we were able to bring all those systems together in one interface. Azurion really gives you the control over the whole procedure in the coronary lab. With the one touchscreen monitor, you can operate as well the Azurion system, acquiring the angiogram and the physiology data to assess, for example, the severity of stenosis, including the IVUS data to guide and confirm your treatment, for example, your stent placement. And when you also add a feature like co-registration onto that, you are able to connect and couple the information coming from the angiogram to the information that is coming from the IVUS to confirm whether the treatment was successful or not. Integration obviously reduces the amount of cable clutter in the lab, but also improves the workflow throughout the coronary procedure. And that is important because time, of course, is critical in such a procedure. The Azurion systems allow easy repositioning of the X-ray system. While doing an angiogram, then full system APCs allows you to come back to that exact same position with just one press on the button. When a patient comes into your cath lab, nowadays he needs to be reconnected to a new patient monitor. We designed the Philips Hemo system in such a way that it connects to the IntelliVue X3 patient monitor. It then provides input to the Hemo system. And this unique combination enables continuous patient monitoring. The Hemo user interface uses Azurion's intuitive workflow approach. And besides that, clinicians can now also visualize and adapt vital signs and hemodynamic calculations at the table side. For the whole hospital staff, the procedure will become more easy. And now with the Azurion system, you can enter the patient information only once, and it will be shared across all the Philips products that you are using within that coronary procedure. That seems like a small improvement, but for the whole workflow it really saves time and it also prevents errors to be made. What is also beneficial for the hospital is that the whole Azurion system is now running on Windows 10, which offers, of course, great benefits with respect to cybersecurity, for example. Since we have all these products in our product portfolio, we can combine them in an optimal way, create a smooth workflow throughout the coronary procedure. A coronary procedure is complex in itself, so we do all the best we can to make that simpler for the user and to hopefully create better outcomes with that. Philips is the only one that can offer this level of integration.
It's really about getting a good view on what you're doing and knowing that you're right.
When the technology in my lab collaborates as smoothly as my team, my attention is free for what matters most.